Welcome to Block 7, where we explore home design inspirations from around the world. Today, we'll delve into a residential project rich in meaning and emotion, RumaDuaBata House, designed by Studio Nadi and located in Indonesia. This house is not just about design and function, but about how a building can become a space that nurtures memories of the past while paving the way for a more comfortable and fulfilling life. RumaDuaBata was born from the personal experiences of the homeowner. Since 1989, the house has witnessed the many chapters of their life. But over time, structural issues began to emerge, from collapsing ceilings and termite-infested roofing to inefficient lighting and cooling systems. These problems sparked the need for a full renovation, not to erase the past, but to incorporate it into the home's new narrative. To honor the client's wish to preserve the essence of the old home, Studio Nadi made a symbolic design choice to retain the original boundary walls on the right and left sides. These brick walls are more than structural elements, they serve as emotional anchors, tying the past to the present. Their placement and design were carefully considered so that they remain visible from various parts of the house, standing as quiet reminders of a life once lived. Architecturally, RumaDuaBata was designed with a deep focus on comfort and energy efficiency. Studio Nadi introduced an 80-centimeter gap along the sides of the building to enhance natural air circulation. Windows and doors were also designed as large as possible to let in ample natural light. As a result, the house now feels cooler and brighter, and energy consumption has decreased by 20% compared to its pre-renovation state. Interestingly, the client didn't want a house that stood out through its exterior appearance. Instead, they longed for a home that could be lived in and felt, not just admired. That's why Studio Nadi chose not to emphasize external aesthetics, but to focus instead on the quality of the interior space. Each room was arranged to evoke a sense of comfort, calm, and closeness to nature through the use of natural lighting, well-planned airflow, and materials such as exposed brick and wood. Covering a total area of around 200 square meters, RumaDuaBata isn't a large house, but every corner is thoughtfully designed. The design philosophy revolves around sustainability, simplicity, and an emotional connection to space. Studio Nadi aimed to ensure that this house isn't just a place to stay, but a true home, one that offers meaning and comfort while honoring the memories that linger from the past. As the architect poetically expressed, RumaDuaBata, shaping space between two bricks, weaving the future between memories. This project is proof that architecture can touch something deeper than just form and function. If you're looking for inspiration in creating a home that resonates with your personal history and prioritizes quality of life, RumaDuaBata House is well worth a closer look. See you in the next home tour, only on Block 7.